Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. So listen, recently I just did a live stream for guacamole that I like to make, my favorite, the best guacamole ever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take bits and pieces of that live stream, cut it up so it kind of makes sense as, you know, an instructional video on how to make the guacamole that I like, okay? So on that one, the only thing I didn't get filmed was I grilled the jalapenos, the corn, and the tomatoes, okay? So I got char on all of those and then chopped it up, okay? So just a little olive oil, a little salt and pepper on the grill, got it fired up, okay? That's it. So watch the clips coming up, okay? If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, thanks for stopping by. You know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you can get the alerts on all we're doing. All right, stick around. We're doing the best guacamole ever. What the shit you know about guacamole? Chef Johnny, I'm from Southern California. We're like a hop, skip, and a jump away from Mexico. Of course I know guacamole. I bastardized the California way, but you know. All right, guys, let's get this started. So we got some ripe avocados. So let's just start with the corn. I was inspired to do this by watching Steve from Not Another Cooking Channel. I'm sorry, Not Another Cooking Show. I grilled up these jalapenos too. So I'm just gonna chop off the skins. Chop these up. I want these a little bit more fine. We'll put these in a little dish right here. And I'm just gonna take a little of this tomato, kind of cut around the seeds. But I grilled the lime. Okay. All right. So that's the roasted jalapenos, the roasted corn, the roasted tomato, which I just had a little bit in there, and then the bacon that I cooked up and chopped up already. And we got 4 ripe avocados over here. All right, so I got this handy dandy tool to scrape out. All right, so I'm gonna put it in here. All right, cool. Let's see if we can do this. What? Look at that. This is an actual tool to get the pit out. See? All right, look at that. And it's totally cheating. This stuff here, Concord Farms guacamole mix. It is the best seasoning for guacamole there ever was. Here, tell Stacy I said hi, give my love to the wife. Miss you guys. I need you guys to come out. He is another Southern California guy, and he's on Instagram, so I get to see him. I still get to keep in touch with him, and he is cooking up. All right, so we're putting the bacon in now. A little salt and pepper. Meathead, I'm not into radishes, but I got some of this Pico that's already made, and I just love squeezing the juice in there. So we're just getting a little of that flavor, wetting it down a little bit. Limes that I've already did the deal with. All right, let's go. Show the strength. Now let's just mix. Move this over here. I don't want to get guacamole on your phone, T-Bone. Viking strength. Oh yeah. So there it is. You can get a close up on that. Oh yeah, look at that. You can see the white corn in it. It's a sweeter corn. I'm loving it. I'm into the, okay, cool. The bacon in there, I cut it real fine so we get plenty of that bacon flavor in there. Right, let's get the taste test. Boom. Love it. All right. Whoa. All right. Got our deli fresh chips. Get a nice scoop. We're gonna test the seasoning on it. Yeah! I don't do nothing to this. Mmm. Good Lord, that's a lot of flavor. Mmm. All right. Oh, that's good. All right, good stuff. I don't need any more seasoning. I'm gonna have another bite of guacamole. Talk amongst yourselves. Oh yeah. Mmm. Pumped up. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. You can watch the whole live stream. I'll put the link right here. But I wanted to get a condensed version for you guys. That's it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.